In the previous movie, I gave you a challenge to create an alternative hypothesis. You want to know if an ad campaign was effective, and the question was whether sales for ad recipients increased by at least 10%. I invited you to create a null hypothesis, an alternative hypothesis that examines the question in the second point, and then also identify if your hypothesis is one-tailed or two-tailed and whether you can test it. So here's how I might approach the problem. The null hypothesis says advertising did not increase sales by 10% or more. In other words, there was no effect. The alternative hypothesis says advertising increased sales by 10% or more. Also, this alternative hypothesis is directional. We are testing for an increase. And it can be tested by analyzing sales data from ad viewers. As long as you are collecting the data that you need, you'll be able to identify individuals who saw the ads and whether or not their spending increased over the time period that you were measuring. I hope you had fun with this challenge and that it prepares you to ask interesting and useful questions about your data.